Imagine opening your eyes 30,000 years ago. The world outside is beautiful, but it is also incredibly dangerous. One mistake could be your last. You aren't the strongest creature alive. You aren't the fastest. You don't have sharp claws. You don't have powerful fangs. Even wolves hunt better than you. Alone, you're almost helpless. So why didn't humans disappear? Why are we still here, while stronger animals vanished forever? The answer wasn't strength. It wasn't speed. It wasn't size. It was something nobody could see, something growing inside the human brain. But humans weren't born smart. Intelligence had to be earned. One discovery at a time. One mistake at a time. One generation at a time. Every lesson was remembered. Every success was shared. Slowly, humans changed. Their brains became more powerful, more curious, and that curiosity would change the world forever. Then humans discovered something extraordinary. Fire. At first, they feared it. It burned everything. But curiosity defeated fear. Humans carried burning branches. They protected the flames. Fire brought warmth. Fire brought light. Fire frightened predators. Nights became safer. But fire had another secret. Someone dropped food into the fire. The smell was completely different. They decided to taste it. It was softer. It was easier to digest. It released more energy. Their bodies worked less. Their brains received more fuel. Generation after generation, human brains slowly became larger. They remembered more. They learned faster. They solved harder problems. Every discovery was shared. Every child learned earlier. Intelligence kept growing. But one final advantage remained, and it would separate humans from every other animal. Intelligence alone wasn't enough. Humans needed to work together. But teamwork needs communication. At first, there were only sounds. A warning, a signal, a cry for help. Slowly, those sounds became words. Words became ideas. Ideas became knowledge. Knowledge could finally survive. Children no longer started from zero. They started where their parents finished. Every generation became smarter. Mistakes became lessons. Lessons became traditions. Traditions became culture. Culture made humans different. Other animals copied. Humans taught. Other animals remembered. Humans recorded knowledge inside other minds. That changed everything. Every invention spread faster. Every discovery reached everyone. Intelligence kept multiplying. Humans were becoming unstoppable. But nature still had one final challenge waiting. Nature refused to make life easy. Every season brought a new problem. Summer could become dry. Winter could become deadly. Food disappeared. Rivers froze solid. Animals migrated away. Hunger became the greatest enemy. Humans had two choices: give up or think differently. Humans chose the second option. They invented better tools. Better tools caught more food. Better food meant healthier families. Healthier families raised stronger children. Stronger children learned faster. Knowledge kept growing. Every problem created a new invention. Every invention solved another problem. Humans adapted again, and again, and again. Every challenge made them smarter. Every success built confidence. Confidence inspired bigger ideas. Soon, humans were no longer just surviving. They were shaping the world. But their greatest invention was still waiting. The next breakthrough wasn't fire. It wasn't better tools. It was imagination. Humans could picture things before they existed. Animals reacted. Humans planned. They imagined tomorrow. They prepared in advance. Winter arrived, but they were ready. Planning saved lives. Every successful plan built more confidence. Confidence inspired bigger dreams. Bigger dreams created bigger ideas. Bigger ideas solved bigger problems. Humans stopped reacting. They started predicting. Predicting changed survival. The smartest humans survived. Their children survived too. They inherited knowledge. They improved it. Then they taught the next generation. Knowledge never stopped growing. That made humans unique. No other animal could match it. Humans were becoming unstoppable. But evolution wasn't finished yet. Every day became a lesson. Every mistake became a teacher. Humans never stopped observing. They studied animals. They studied nature. They noticed patterns. Seasons always returned. Animals followed the seasons. Humans followed knowledge. The more they learned, the better they survived. Curiosity became a survival tool. Questions created discoveries. Discoveries created inventions. Inventions changed daily life. Life became easier. Easier lives created more time. More time meant more learning. Knowledge expanded faster. Every child started ahead. Every generation improved. Human intelligence accelerated. Evolution rewarded curiosity. Curious people survived longer. Their children inherited that advantage. Curiosity became human nature. It never disappeared. It only became stronger. And it pushed humanity forward. But one final leap would change history forever. Then everything changed again. Humans stopped wandering. They found the perfect place. Fresh water was nearby. Food became easier to find. Families stayed together. Small camps became villages. Villages became communities. People stopped surviving alone. Everyone helped each other. Some hunted. Some gathered food. Some built better tools. Everyone became an expert. Knowledge spread faster than ever. Ideas multiplied. Better ideas created better lives. Children had more time to learn. Learning never stopped. Generation after generation, human intelligence kept growing. Curiosity became innovation. Innovation became progress. Progress changed humanity forever. The smartest species was rising. Every challenge made them stronger. Every success inspired another discovery. The journey had only begun. Humanity was ready to build an entirely new world. Humans no longer adapted to the world. They changed the world instead. Forests became homes. Rivers became lifelines. Stone became powerful tools. Wood became strong shelters. Fire became everyday life. Nothing stayed the same. Human brains kept improving. Every challenge demanded a solution. Every solution created another idea. Ideas spread quickly. Entire tribes learned together. Knowledge became humanity's greatest weapon. No claws. No fangs. Just intelligence and imagination. Those two abilities changed human history forever. Every generation became smarter. Every discovery inspired another. Progress never stopped. Curiosity never disappeared. Questions built civilizations. Civilization built the future. The journey continued. Humanity kept learning. Humanity kept evolving. But one question still remains. Look around you. Everything started here. A simple campfire. A sharp stone. A curious question. And a brave mind. Humans never accepted limits. Every obstacle became a challenge. Every challenge became an opportunity. Every opportunity became progress. That progress never stopped. Generation after generation, humans passed knowledge forward. Every child learned more. Every invention inspired another. Curiosity became tradition. Tradition became civilization. Civilization changed the planet. Humans became builders, explorers, inventors, teachers, dreamers, thinkers, problem solvers. That made us different. That made us powerful. That made us human. But our greatest invention was never a tool at all. Our greatest invention wasn't fire. It wasn't the spear. It wasn't the wheel. It wasn't even language. It was the human mind. A brain that never stopped asking. Why? How? What if? Every question changed history. Every answer created another question. Curiosity never ended. Learning never ended. Progress never ended. That's why humans spread everywhere. Across forests. Across deserts. Across frozen lands. Across the entire planet. No other species achieved that. Intelligence changed everything. Cooperation made it stronger. Curiosity kept it growing. Imagination made the impossible possible. That's the real human superpower. Not muscles, not speed, but intelligence. The strongest weapon evolution ever created. And our story isn't over yet. Look at your own hands. They still carry the past. Look at your eyes. They still search for danger. Listen to your heartbeat. It still races during fear. Your brain remembers ancient survival. Even today, millions of years changed us. But they never erased our instincts. Curiosity still drives us. Questions still lead us forward. We still imagine. We still create. We still solve impossible problems. That's why humans keep advancing. Every generation learns more. Every generation dreams bigger. Every generation changes the future. That's our greatest strength. Never stop learning. Never stop asking questions. Never stop imagining. Because that's what made us human. And that's what will shape our future. So, why did humans become the smartest animal? Not because we were stronger. Not because we were faster. Not because we were bigger. We became smarter because we never stopped learning. We never stopped asking questions. We never stopped imagining. Every generation improved the last. Every discovery became a new beginning. Knowledge became our greatest inheritance. Curiosity became our greatest strength. Cooperation made us unstoppable. Imagination changed the impossible into reality. The smartest weapon was always inside us, the human brain, and it continues evolving today. Every question still matters. Every idea still matters. Every child still matters. Because the future always begins with curiosity. That's the real story of human intelligence. It wasn't luck. It was millions of years of learning. And the journey is still continuing. That's how humans became the smartest animal on Earth. What do you think made humans truly different? Tell us in the comments. And if you enjoyed this journey through human evolution, don't forget to subscribe for more amazing stories.